because you are the main important person. Okay, guys. So let us start slowly. I have added the sampling system here, so I will update into the software. No. I'm covering here in the node description. So I have added here, including sampling system, so that when you read tomorrow, you understand that yes, we have covered it. Okay, guys. So this is the node 1. Now we are going to do the actual description here. First, we will start with no and less flow, and then we go for more flow. We'll go for reverse flow, more temperature, less temperature. So when we are discussing the flow, no flow, we have to focus only no flow only. Don't worry about the temperature or level, right? So we'll discuss what no flow only in entire system. So let me start from here. I will come back on this later. Or let me start. No, I will come later. So no flow.
You can start no flow is there, so then this solenoid will open and wash it, and then
here only. Okay. So let me start from here. So this is strainer block, and then solenoid valve.
Yeah.
Right. So I will say strainer ST001.
Huh?
You have to start with the wall also.
Yeah.
And this is the main, right? There is any other one?
No, this is not the wall. This is I think strainer. I think
Like a quick update. Like
Yeah, I think we need to start. We can start from here. Yeah, strainer ST001. ST. Blockage. Second is MOV.